Good morning, everyone. So, myself AATANU'S from AATANU'S and now I am going to share all of you a very good Excel trick. Rather, many times it will give you problem. Okay, so what is the problem? Let's delve into that. Okay, the problem is, suppose you have a field like code. Okay, so you have written code and you are seeing that the pattern of the code is like this: a slash 001, a slash 002. Okay, and in this way it will be ended at a slash 010 maybe. Okay, so how to get all these codes automatically? Okay, so we know that if we write a slash 001 and after that we drag it downward till a slash 010, our work will be done. But what is the problem here? The problem is in the corner. Okay, you will not get the dragging option. Okay, simply you are getting the selection. Okay, selecting the cell option. Okay, but no dragging options are available or activated. Okay, so in this case what you have to do, simply go to the file and click on the options. Okay, and in these options you will get this advanced. Okay, click on that option and there is a checkbox which is called enable fill handle and cell drag and drop. Okay, simply activate this box and click on ok. Okay, after doing this you can drag it downward and you can generate your codes automatically. Okay, so you need till a slash 010, you can generate it automatically. Okay, so this is very helpful option. Okay, if it is deactivated you cannot generate it automatically, you have to write all the codes manually. Okay, so if you love this trick, please subscribe the channel, share the page and spread the video to everyone. In my previous video I have discussed about cider.ai. Okay, so it is important to implement these tools in your browser because this is not an application software, this is simply a browser extension. Okay, so to view this particular video you go to the link. Okay, the link is given in the description box, so click on that link and see the whole video for your improvement. Thank you very much for watching the video.